students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going to start here with ICSE class 6. Subject is math and chapter is first, that is number system. Book we are following is Foundation Mathematics by R.S. Agarwal. Right? So let us start. So as the name of the chapter denotes, it is number system, right? So in the beginning you should know what are numbers. So number, as you know, they play a very important role in the mathematics, and dealing with number is the first stage of learning mathematics, and it starts with counting of objects. Right, students? So how does this counting is done? So this counting is done by using numbers like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. For so on we write these dots, right? So these counting numbers are called, what we call them? They are called natural numbers. Right? So this process of counting is endless, as there is no end to the number. That's why we put here dots. This means so on, right? So we express these numbers in figures as well as in words, right? So here two things arises. Number first is what? Notation. What is notation? So when we write a number in figures, it is called notation. Right, students? And number B is what? Numeration. So when we write a number in words, it is called numeration. Right? When we write a number in figures, it is called notation. When we write a number in words, then it is called numeration. Right? So now we will learn about the system of writing numbers. So in this system we will learn Hindu, Arabic system of what? Of writing numbers, right? So what is this system? So in this system we use symbols. What are these symbols? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? So for representing any number we use these symbols 0 to 9, right? So what are these symbols are called? These symbols are called digits, right students? So when we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are symbols. So these symbols are called what? Digits, right? So a group of these digits, a group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. Individually these are known as digits. When we use their group, they became numeral, right? So is there any system to these represent a number? So there is a system known as place value system. Place value system, right? Now we will learn this place value system. So here numbers, for numbers up to 5 digits, for numbers up to 5 digits, what we will do? For a given numeral we will start from the extreme right end, right? So first step is start from the extreme right end, right? Right as. So first of all we will write ones, then tenths, then hundreds, then thousands, and in the end 10,000, and so on, etc, etc. Okay, so we will take example of what? For example, so what is numeral? Numeral is a group of digits. So here I am giving you the example. Suppose I write a numeral 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right. So in words I will read it as 3000, 400 56. Right. So I have written it 3456. How does I have arrived it? I had arrived it, right? I have explained in the previous page by using place value system. So how we will use this place value system? So we will take another example for that, right? For that, let us move on to the next page. So students, see, I have drawn a table here, and in written here, first of all ones, then it is column of tens, then it hundreds, then thousands, and then 10,000s, right? So as I have written, I have told you to start from the extreme right, right? So from extreme right we are seeing ones, tens, then move on to the left. This is extreme right, then move on to left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. You have to keep in mind. Suppose for simple example I am giving here. So suppose I write 6 here. In the ones column I write 6. In the tens column I write 5. And in the hundreds column I write 8. So I have written the given numeral means group of digits. So this is 856, right? Then I want to explain it in the words. So how we will explain it as? So first understand it like this. So I have written 856. This is the number. If I start from the extreme right, first I have written 6 ones. Yeah, that means 6 times ones. 6 into 1. Right. Then I will add plus here 5 times tens. 5 into 10. Right. So 5 into 10. Then again I will put a plus sign here. 100 means 8 times hundreds. Right. If I am going to solve this, then 8 times 100 would means 800. 5 times tens would means 5 into 10. 5 10 ja 50. 6 times 1, 6 into 1, 6. If I add on this symbol, so this would become 658. It has become 856. Now I will, the main thing is how to write it in the words. How to write it in the words, right? So for this I will start from extreme left. In writing we will take write it as from the extreme right to left, and when I will take it in the words, then I will write it start it from the extreme left. So on the extreme left is 8. 8 is in the hundreds column, so I will write it as, see here, 8 8 is in hundreds column, so I will write it 800. Then next digit is 5. 5 is tens column, so here see 800, and here it has become what, 10 fives are 50, right? 10 fives are 50, so 5 into 10 is 5 into 10 is 50. So we will write as 800. This 50 has come from here, 50, and 6 1 ja 6, 6. So this I have written these three digits, three digits in numeral form, 856. So this 856 we will write in words is 856, right students? So let us move on to the second example. If I write thousands column 7, hundreds 4, tens 9, and ones is 3, then how we will write it as? So first of all, we will try to understand it here from extreme left. 3 into 7 for the, or you can now take it from right or left. If you have understood it well, then you can write it as, so 7,000, 7 into thousands is equal to 7,000. 400s, 4 into 100, we can write it as 004. Next is 9 tenths, so 9 into 10, that means 9 tens are 90. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 will become 3, 3 1 ja 3. Now we will add it 3. Here 9 plus 0 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 7. So this has become a digit 7493. Then how would we write it in the words? So in the words, first of all take thousands, so 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Then what it has become? 400, 400 like this, so 400. Then 9 is in tens column, from 9 into 10 it has become 90, so we will write 90 as NINTY, 90. 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3, 3. So we will read this as 7,493, right? So now I think you have understood it well. Now we will move further. So for moving further, I have to rub these. So I am rubbing this, right students? Please practice at your home. The more you will practice, the more you will gain from this, right? Next we move on to another example, that is the example number 3. In the third example, I will write, fill all these columns. 2, here I will write 3, here I will write 6, Here I will write 4 and here I will write 8, right? So let us start here with, so here I have written 2000s, two 10,000s. So for two 10,000s I will write it like this: 10,000, 1 carrying 4 zeros, so this will become 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then 3 10,000s, so 3,000, sorry, this would become 0, 0, 0 and 3. 6 hundreds, 6 into hundreds, this will become 0, 0, 6, and 4 tens, 4 into tens, this would become 4 tens are 40. 8 ones, 8 into 1, this will become 8. If I get this added, then I will get 8 here, 4 here, 6 here, 3 here, and then how I would expand it inwards. So inwards I will write it, so 2 is 10,000s, for 10,000s we have written this, so this has become 20, so 20,000, right? So 20, and this we will add these thousands and these thousand. First take it 10,000 and 10,000 because both are in thousands, so this has become 23, 23,000, 23,000. Now this 6 has fallen in hundreds column, so we will write it as 100 is only in this column, so we will write as 600. Now 4 is in tens column, so 4 into 10, 40, 40. 4 into 10 has become 40, and in the end it has left only 8 has left, so we will write it 48. So right students, let us move on to the next example is 4th. So here if I write it 6 and 5 and 0 and 1 and 9, so here I have example of 0 is taken to explain you about 0, role of 0. So let us write it. So 6 10,000s, so here I will write 6 into 10,000, so this has become 60,000. 5,000s, so 5 into 1,000, so 5,000. 0 hundreds, so 0 into hundreds, so if we multiply anything with 0, then it would become 0, right? 1 into tens, that has become 10 1 ja 10, right? And 9 into 1, it has become 9 1 ja 9. So now we will add it, so this has become 9, 1, 0 5 6. Now we will write it in words. So 60,000 and 5,000. 60 plus 5, 65. So we will write it as 65,000. Right? Then 0 has no value. So then we will move on to the next. So this is 1 into 10 tens and 9. 10 plus 9, this has become 19. So this has become 16,019. Right? So this 0, due to this 0 we have to add this 65,019. Right? So this was today's video lecture on number system. This video has now become lengthy. In the next video we will try to understand the further this chapter. Right? Till then, it's goodbye. Revise it more and more to understand it well. It's goodbye now.